This is your Swing Alpha Trade Report for September 4th, 2017. Before we go to the markets, I wanted to highlight our page. So go to swingalpha.com, click on Open Positions. All Alpha Level members have access to this page. You can see everything from our current positions, our percent currently invested. Right now we're about 85% invested. You can see that we've made a little over 6.2% profit per trade. Our win-loss ratio right now is about 59%. And we've grown our account about 12% in the last 3 months. So this is about 4% growth if you compound it per month. For the purposes of this video, I've censored out the entry and stop loss. But any alpha level member could go to the page and then check this information out. With every trade that we put out, members will get an entry price, a stop price, and we'll tell you how much of your account you should allocate to that trade. So the very risky trades, of course, we'd allocate less, and the less risky we'd allocate more. Just going through the trades real quick, you can see we're still in our Tesla trade. We're up about 12%. I believe Tesla's in a consolidation phase, so we may be holding this for a little while. You could also see that our WUBA trade right now is up nearly 48%. We're still holding it. We expect to be able to get a lot more than this, actually. Our FIT is about 15%. Our WB is up about 37% right now. And even our very recent trade, Blue, is up about almost 34% right now. And you can even see our most recent trades that members were told to get it into with expectation that the market will be breaking out from a bull flag. So if you're an alpha level member, definitely check out this page. You could see exactly how well we've been doing in our trading. Now moving on to SPY. SPY had broken out from a bull flag as expected. You can check out our previous videos where we said this was highly likely to happen. We even said that this was a high probability bottom right here. So we do expect SPY to hit up against this tough resistance around 249. It's not likely to break it within the next 1 or 2 or 3 days. We expect it to butt up against, possibly consolidate before breaking out, or maybe do a small rollover before breaking out. But we definitely expect to see new all-time highs this month. So if it does break out, we are very likely to hit maybe 254 within the next coming weeks. So we're definitely very bullish right now, and we're going to continue adding to our long position. There's no sign of any bearishness in the near future. So going to the Qs, QQQ. Of course, we have a bull flag breakout here as well, and even 2 new all-time highs. I'd like to point out that because today is a market holiday, there's a bug in my platform where it just repeats the previous day's candle, but this candle is not actually real right here. Also looking at biotech, XBI. I'm usually right in my predictions on SPY and usually other stocks. However, I'm definitely wrong on XBI. If you go through our previous videos, you'll see I said that I expected SPY around here to just curl over and then bounce off this support right here. However, it bounced a lot sooner than we thought and has been very, very bullish. So we missed that on this trade, no big deal. We've definitely still gotten into other very bullish trades which have worked out. If it does ever curl over and show any signs of a pullback, we'd probably get into that pullback for biotech. Next is USO. You've probably been following the news of Harvey that has been shutting down oil rigs, which in theory should decrease the supply of oil and increase the price of oil. However, it appears to be that the supply of oil is just so large that it's been able to buffer any loss in output production. So you don't really see any bullishness at all in the oil price. It's barely a blip up at all. You don't see any unusual volume. At most, we have a possible bull flag here with a possible breakout. So if you really want to go long oil, you could go long oil tomorrow at open on expectation that it will continue up. But long term, oil has just been in a downtrend, very, very bearish right now. It's still below this bear trend, and it's most likely going to come down and then bounce off of this low right here. So I would not expect any bullishness on oil until we get a retest of this bottom around 8-ish. So that could take another 1 to maybe 4 months to happen. But we are watching oil. Lastly, we entered in one trade on Friday. SQ members were alerted to get in about 30 minutes before open. Looking at SQ, you can see it's been in a strong uptrend for almost 2 years, and we've had 5 bull flags. This is possibly a fifth breakout bull flag right here. So definitely go long on SQ on expectation that it will continue up. So that concludes the trade report for September 4th, 2017.